In this video, let me show you how to fix TikTok cannot delete account. So if you're trying to delete your account of TikTok and if you're having issues, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now the first thing that you need to do is add in your missing phone number and email address, because whenever you try to delete your account, it will send you either an email confirmation or a code that you'll need to enter in. So what you first of all need to do is head over to the three lines on the top right, head over to settings. Once you're inside of settings, head over to account. And once you're inside of account information, make sure you add in either your email address or your phone number. So once you do this step, you should be able to fix the issue. But however, if this is not the case with you, then what you can try out is try to clear the app data and try to fix this issue. So what you can simply do is hop out of the application, tap and hold the app of TikTok, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear data option. Once you complete this step, try to see if now the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is just to bypass the application and use a web browser, either using your phone or using your desktop or your laptop. Head over to tiktok.com and try to complete the process of deletion using a web browser. So these are the few solutions that you can try out in order to fix the TikTok cannot delete account error. If this video did help you out, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next one.